Welcome to Gadget Geek Review, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home cleaning solutions. Are you tired of spending hours scrubbing away dirt and grime? Well, get ready to revolutionize your cleaning routine with our featured product today, the Yocada Tub Tile Scrubber Brush. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to sparkling surfaces in no time. With its adjustable telescopic pole, stiff bristles, and scouring pads, this 2-in-1 cleaning brush is a game-changer for your bathroom, kitchen, and more. Get ready to discover the power of effortless cleaning. YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. Introducing the YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of scrubbing endlessly? This cordless cleaning brush is your solution. With 8 replaceable brush heads, it tackles every surface with ease. 3 adjustable speeds give you the power you need for any task. Plus, its adjustable and detachable long handle reaches high and low spots effortlessly. But wait, there's more. With voice broadcast functionality, it guides you through your cleaning journey. Say goodbye to manual scrubbing and hello to convenience. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the YKYI Electric Spin Scrubber. Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. Introducing the ultimate dish cleaning solution, Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray Bundle. This powerful combo includes 1 spray bottle and 3 refills, each packed with the fresh scent you love. Say goodbye to soaking and scrubbing, just spray, wipe, and rinse for sparkling dishes in seconds. Dawn Platinum Power Wash cuts through grease and grime with ease, saving you time and effort. With its innovative spray technology, you'll use less soap and water while achieving a superior clean. Keep your kitchen shining and your dishes gleaming with the Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray Bundle, your secret weapon against tough messes. iHealth No Touch Forehead Thermometer. Introducing the iHealth No Touch Forehead Thermometer. Say goodbye to the hassle of traditional thermometers. This infrared digital thermometer offers touchless temperature readings for adults, kids, and even babies. Equipped with 3 ultra-sensitive sensors, it provides accurate results every time. The large LED digits make readings easy to see, while the quiet vibration feedback ensures a comfortable experience, especially for little ones. With its non-contact design, you can measure temperature without disturbing sleep or causing discomfort. Whether you're at home or on the go, the iHealth No Touch Forehead Thermometer offers convenience and peace of mind. Prioritize health and safety with this essential tool in your household arsenal. Joymoop Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Introducing the Joymoop Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. Revolutionize your cleaning routine with this hands-free white flat squeeze mop bucket set. Perfect for floor cleaning and wall wiping, its long handle ensures easy reach without bending or straining. With 3 reusable microfiber pads, you'll achieve a sparkling clean every time. Say goodbye to traditional mopping hassles, this set simplifies the process with its efficient wringer system. Just dip, squeeze, and mop away dirt and grime effortlessly. Keep your floors and walls pristine with the Joymoop Mop and Bucket Set, the ultimate cleaning companion for any home. Upgrade to hassle-free cleaning today. Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Introducing the Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Treat your feet to a luxurious spa experience right at home. With toe-touch controls, you can easily adjust the settings for invigorating bubbles and splash-proof relaxation. The raised massage node soothes tired feet, while the removable pumice stone exfoliates rough patches, leaving your feet feeling soft and rejuvenated. Whether you've had a long day or just need some self-care, this foot spa is your ticket to relaxation. Say goodbye to stress and hello to bliss with the Homedics Bubble Mate Foot Spa. Indulge in the ultimate pampering session and give your feet the care they deserve. Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set for Home. Introducing the Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set for Home. Say goodbye to bending over and straining your back with this innovative cleaning duo. Featuring a 52-foot long handle, this set ensures effortless sweeping for any space. The standing dustpan design makes cleanup a breeze, while the sturdy broom tackles dirt and debris with ease. Perfect for the kitchen, office, lobby, or any floor surface, this set is a must-have for busy households. Upgrade your cleaning routine today with the Upgrade Broom and Dustpan set and enjoy a more efficient and ergonomic way to keep your space spotless. Holic-Me 30-pack Drill Brush Attachment Set. Introducing the Holic-Me 30-pack Drill Brush Attachment Set. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing with this comprehensive cleaning solution. With scrub pads, sponges, and power scrubber brushes, this set tackles grout, tiles, sinks, and more with ease. The Extend Long attachment ensures you reach every nook and cranny, making cleaning a breeze. Whether you're polishing your car or deep cleaning your home, these attachments are up to the task. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal with the Holic-Me 30-pack Drill Brush Attachment Set and enjoy sparkling results in less time and with less effort. Yocada Tub Tile Scrubber Brush 2-in-1. Introducing the Yocada Tub Tile Scrubber Brush. Transform your cleaning routine with this versatile 2-in-1 tool. With its adjustable telescopic pole extending up to 58.2 inches, it reaches high and low for thorough cleaning. The stiff bristles and scouring pads effectively tackle dirt and grime on bathroom, kitchen, and toilet surfaces without scratching. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing, this brush makes deep cleaning a breeze. Whether you're cleaning walls, tubs, tiles, sinks, or more, the Yocada Scrubber Brush delivers exceptional results every time. Upgrade your cleaning arsenal and enjoy a sparkling home with Yocada's innovative cleaning solutions. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, don't hesitate to click the link in the description to get your hands on the Yocada Tub Tile Scrubber Brush. Trust us, your future self will thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Geek Review for more product reviews and cleaning hacks to make your life easier. Until next time, happy cleaning!